Racing just is started. We have Ace Rumble in front position. We have Head Honcho moving up on the outside. DreamWorks in the middle portion. Princess Adarna. Tony Quater comes next. Bonita Blanca. Then next on line is Don Don's entry. Down on the inside. Black Label. Para sa'yo. King's Treasure comes next. Simple Beauty. Matikas Atoy for us. Madam Leonora while Teritun is the trailer going along for the first turn. We have Head Honcho by about 3 lengths. Tonic Water in second. Down on the inside, Black Label. Don Don's entry moving up on the outside para sa'yo. Then next on line is entry number 13, Bonita Blanca, Princess Adarna, DreamWorks, Madam Leonora, Teritun, Matikas comes next. Simple Beauty. Then next on line is King's Treasure, while Atoy for us now racing in 14th. And at the far turn, we have Black Label, Tonic Water. Then here comes para sa'yo, now moving up on the outside, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Black Label, para sa'yo, is on the outside, Tonic Water in the middle, last day swing for home. Black Label, para sa'yo, moving up on the outside, we have Black Label, para sa'yo, is on the outside, Black Label, para sa'yo, Black Label, para sa'yo, is on the outside, but it's there, Black Label, followed by para sa'yo, and finally it's Black Label. Para sa'yo, then comes Bonita Blanca.
Ba tayo sa